Hello, psychology class. Welcome to the Getting Started tutorial on your research process. Starting a research paper can be really overwhelming. And back in my day, you just had to head to the library and hope that they had books on the topic you were interested in researching. Luckily for you, you have the internet. But unfortunately for you, you have the internet, which can often be super overwhelming in trying to even narrow down quality information. So to help you get started with this process, I've provided two links into a research project in Google Classroom that we're going to explore in this tutorial today. The first website link provided for you is really helpful. It's the APA, or American Psychological Association's Psychology Topics page. And as you can read there, right, it's a diverse discipline. You have a lot of things to choose from, is that essentially anything can be applied to psychology. So if you're having a hard time deciding where to even begin or what is even of interest to you, this website, as you can see, has tons and tons of different topics connected to the field of psychology. And so, like, if you don't even know where to start, this might be a good place. And as I scroll here, ooh, mental health, or oh, mindfulness. That one sounds interesting to me. So if I click there, you'll see that I get like a nice psychology definition of what mindfulness is as a topic. I get some resources that are listed, and if you click on the view more resources from the APA about mindfulness, you can now see tons of different recommendations. It can be general topic overviews. You can see there's a DVD, there's books, there's magazine articles, webinars, podcasts, and even research journal articles are all located in one spot. And over on the left, you can search by year, or you can narrow it down by specific type of resource you're looking for. That becomes especially helpful when you're looking for the different journal articles. So another great website to use is our World in Data, which we can cite on our reference page, but has all this great open source research data and interactive charts that we can embed right in our paper. And so related to my mindfulness idea, I found this section on happiness and life satisfaction. And so if you click on interactive charts on happiness and life satisfaction, look at all these cool different interactive charts. The one that really piqued my interest was this one on self-reported life satisfaction by country. And so maybe I could use that as something in my introduction about maybe countries that have more mindfulness and are meditating, maybe are less stressed. What's cool is that you can see there you can download any of these charts and embed them directly into research papers. So there you have it. Have fun exploring, and hopefully these two sites help you narrow down your topic.